ROGO has created the most accurate and accountable soil sampling system in agriculture today. The first problem that we notice is depth issues with typical sampling methods. With a hand probe, it's kind of obvious the inaccuracies that can have with a human. With mechanical machinery, often the depth is referenced from the frame of the vehicle, which means that it can change plus or minus a few inches based upon the hardness of the ground. What we've done at ROGO on our machines, we've referenced our depth from the ground, and we digitally monitor that depth all the way throughout the coring process so that we are plus or minus a few millimeters as opposed to plus or minus a couple inches. The second problem that we see in the industry is soil flow problems. If you push the probe in the ground 7 inches, you want to make sure you get 7 inches of soil come out of the ground. If you don't, that means you probably had a soil flow problem. And it's not compacted inside the probe either. That's a common misconception in the industry. What we've done is we've created our machine to pinch and pierce the residue so we have good soil flow right from the beginning, and then we use our patent pending probe that we designed in-house to ensure good soil flow throughout the rest of the coring process. The third but not smallest problem that we see is accountability in the soil collection process. Our robots drive themselves to achieve locational accuracy. We record the location of every core that's being taken and the achieved depth of every core. We are monitoring where the robots are even parked, what different particular field events are happening, and real-time productivity metrics of every robot. We have barcodes on every bag and every box so that we can trace those, and they're recorded when and where they've been shipped. The operators of the robots don't even need to remember different field protocols for all the different fields that they visit in a day. For example, if customer A wants his field sample to 8 inches deep and customer B is at 7 inches deep, the robot automatically changes itself. We want to be held accountable with the utmost transparency in the process. This type of professionalism results in soil samples that you can count on like never before.